Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a backup of your data on Honor Magic V5. Alright, so let's open up our settings, and once we are here, scroll down, all the way down, until you find System and Updates, and now click on Backup and Restore. I'm going to show you two ways how we can create a backup. First one is by using the Google Backup, and the first one is by backing up our data into the external storage drive. So let's begin with that method first. And now we need to connect our USB storage or insert our memory card. In my case, I'm going to use the USB storage, so plug in your storage device. Okay. Now select USB storage or the memory card, and now click on the backup. Select the things that you want to backup. In my case, I want that things. Once you have selected everything, click on backup. In my case, it won't take long because I'm not copying any apps. Okay, backup complete. Click on done, and now our backup has been successfully made. And now we can unplug our device, and now our backup is stored on our external storage. And now let's go into the Google Backup, go back, but before we click, let's make sure on which Google account we are making a backup. In my case, this Google account is selected. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored in the cloud, of course. So, for example, if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Make sure that backup to Google is enabled right in here. Also, if you want, you can enable the auto restore. It will restore backed up settings and data to apps when they are reinstalled. And now to create a backup, click on Google account. Make sure that when you click on photos and videos that they are enabled right in here, and same thing with other device data, but something closed, so let's go back there. Other device data, and that it's also enabled right in here. Now to create a backup, simply click on this green button. Now the process will start. You can see that in here a small circle appeared, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, so I'll see you once it's done. Alright, the backup has been successfully made. You can also see it right in here that under other device data we can see that it was 0 minutes ago, so that's our confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.